Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review. Now you see it, man. We got the two-piece hat club special right here. You feel me? We got two boxes, man. So you know I'm going to go ahead unbox these. We're going to take a good look at these, and I'm going to also give you some outfit ideas, man. Stay tuned.
Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty. And I be holding down the city. I'm litty. I be holding down the city.
Alright, welcome back, man. We got box number one right here, man. You know I got my trusty box cutter, man. So you know what time it is, B. Time to slice it right on down the middle. Peel it back. Hey, you know what? Big time shout outs to the peel back gang, man. Hold on, let me slice it one more again. Slice it down the middle. We gonna peel it back. We gonna peel it back. You feel me, man? We growing every day, man. Peel back gang, we out here. Let's see what we got. All right, we got the, okay, packing slip. We have the hat club pen. There you go. Go ahead and get a little some of that hat club pen right there. You feel me? This is your standard hat club pen, by the way. And, woo! Oh yeah, you see it, man. We have the Oakland A's. This is the Oakland A's from the Crosscheck Collection. So they take basically a baseball team and they put the hockey team from the same city's colors on the hat. So we have the Oakland A's right here. It has that big elephant. I like the big elephant in the front. You get a little bit of that gray. You get some of that yellow right there. You also get some of that royal blue, which I like the touch of the royal blue because I have a pair of shoes that I feel like will go good with this hat, man. So once I saw that they were coming out with the Crosscheck Collection, I went down the list. I mean, they had some bangers. Like they had that Mets was A1. And I was thinking about grabbing that, but I had to go with this, man, because I just had an outfit in mind already once I saw this. So let me get into the hat, man. We have the all green hat. We have the elephant with the blue, the gray, and the yellow bats right there. Let's get a little bit closer on that. We have the hat size, which is 7 1/8, which is my preferred size. We have the 30th, there we go, 30th anniversary logo right there. Oakland A's 30th anniversary logo right there, man. Check it out, man. We got that blue bottom right there. This is like a royal blue bottom right here. Very nice. All white sweatband, man. So you know what time it is, man. You look super fresh with the all white sweatband, but the key is keep it white, B. Now let's go. We got the inside. We have the Cooperstown collection. We have the New Era flag. Then we also have the hat size. On the back, we have a flat Batterman logo right there with that blue and also with that yellow right there, man. Like I said, this is a really clean hat. Once I saw it, I knew that I wanted to get this one. And y'all probably like, B, where is your Blue Jays? Now, they had a Blue Jays, and I just have so many. I think it was blue and like maybe gray. And I already have that a similar color, so I didn't want to just grab it just cause. So I went ahead and got the Oakland A's joint. Now let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. Let's see. And it was $45, by the way. It was 45 bucks. Let me take this joint off. Let me go ahead and, ooh, we got another good fit. You know what, because I know people ask me sometimes, so this is made in China, just so you know, because you know we got the Bangladesh hats, then we also got the hats that are made in China. This right here is made in China, and guess what? We got a good fit alert on this bad boy right here, man. So let me go ahead and give you some of this. Go ahead, turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot right there. And we going right back, man. Now look, I gotta tell you, actually I gotta show you what I would wear with this hat, man. So stay tuned, hold it down. And so right here, I paired up this hat, man. It's Oakland A's Crosscheck hat, man, with the Nike tee, man. It says peace, love, and basketball, man. I love peace, I love love, and I love basketball, man. So it was only right, man. I picked this shirt up from the Nike store a while back, you feel me? But I mean, it hits on every color of the hat. You got your blue, you got your green, and then you got your yellow, man. Another reason why I wanted to pick this hat up, man, is just because I don't have this color bottom just yet. Pause. You feel me? I don't have this color under brim, and I felt like I needed to add that to the collection, man. So let's go ahead and go to box number 2, man. Let's go. Let's do it, man. We got box number 2. We got box number 2 right here, man. You know what time it is, man. We got to go ahead and slice it right on down the middle. Say it with me. Peel it back, man. Remember, peel back gang. B, hold it down for the kid, man. Peel back pins are coming soon, B. So, yeah, we're going to keep peeling it back. Boom. We open this bad boy up. We got packing slip right here, man. Oh, my goodness. I can't. Hold on, wait, B. Hold on, man. Hold on, B. Look. This is an early touch, man. So, I hope you had your post notifications on. I hope that you, are seeing this video before the drop, man. But yeah, this is crazy. This is an early touch, B. And I don't really get early touches like that, but come on, man. Come on. No, I'm putting it back, B. Let's go ahead and go in order, man. So you got your Hat Club pin. You feel me? You got your Hat Club pin right here. But come on, man. It don't stop there. It don't stop there, man. We got something special, man. We got something special. We got the JaeTips Hat Club collab pin right here. Now let's go ahead and open this up, man, because I want y'all to be able to see this, man. B, I'm bringing it to you first, B, so just know, man. Hold on now. Open this bad boy up, and let's take a, ooh, look at the detail on this bad boy. Okay, so there we go. Let me get that to you, man. Hold on, let me see if I can I get some? Come on, baby. Can I get some? It look like it ain't messing with me on the super up close, but I will definitely B-roll you some footage of this pin, because this pin is crazy, man. This pin is crazy. You got all those colors on there. Let me see if now he'll give me something. There you go. You got all the colors, man. He does have the Hat Club hat on. If you see, he got the Hat Club hat on right there. But like I said, I'll give you some B-roll, because this pin is bananas, man. Now let's go ahead and get into this bad boy right here. We have the JaeTips Hat Club collaboration hat, man. LA Dodgers. We got the purple joint. Now, if you haven't already seen it, go ahead and check out my other video on the Venice Beach meetup, the pop-up when he brought these reservation cards, so we were able to get these a little bit earlier. And I'm surprised they actually shipped out and we literally got them earlier. So this was an early touch, man. LA did eat first. But let's go. We got that all purple. This is like more of a lavenderish purple. It's not that easy to match up with. It's not just standard purple. But we got the all over purple hat right there. We have the 75th World Series right there. 75th World Series patch. This joint is cold, and the patch has a little bit of, let's see if we can get on there. It has a little bit of that, it's almost like a lime green, and then you get a little bit of that red, man. But the patch on this joint is crazy right here. The front, you already know. You can already see it, man. Crazy. On the back, we have that flat Batterman logo with the pink back there. Also, it's a pink bottom, man. It's a pinky right here, man. You can't go wrong, man. White sweatband, man. This, I'm just tripping on how it came before the drop, B. You feel me? So, yeah. Let me go ahead and take this bad boy off. Let me go ahead and put this joint on. Okay. Oh yeah, we got a nice fit. Let me check the tag. Made in China. We got another China, B. These are made in China, so. Be cool, man. You feel me? I know sometimes you get a little bit nervous because those Bangladeshis seem to run just a little bit big, you feel me? But this is made in China, man. We got a good fit on this bad boy. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot right there, you feel me? Yeah, this was one of those hats, man, that I can attach a memory to, man. So yeah, this is one of them ones, man. I'm gonna keep this in the collection for a long time, you dig? But let me go ahead and give you an idea on what I would wear with this hat, man. And so right here I have on the Nike T, man, the Nike T LA 13.1, man. So I felt like it was only right. Not only do you get that match on the colors, man, but also the shirt is LA, and this was for the marathon. You know, a marathon is 26.2 miles, man. And so this is for a half marathon, 13.1, man. I love the combo, man. You got that purple, it hits with the purple. Then you also got that soft kind of lavender joint as far as the actual t-shirt is concerned, man. And it took a while for me to find a shirt that matched this hat perfectly. But, you know, I was able to do it, man. So I'm digging it. As you can see, I did put the pin on the front. And I had to put the pin on the front, man. It's too much, it's too unique. And the design is like too on point to have it too high up where you can't see it, man. So I want you to know this ain't no like Fugazi B. When you see me with this joint, it ain't like I ain't even gonna disrespect nobody else, you know, that makes, you know, hats and does they thing. But I want you to know that this is a JaeTips official joint. So I threw the pin right there on the front, man. Let me go ahead and give you a little bit more of that side pass shot right there, man. The joint is crazy, man. Like I said, I hope you're watching this video before the drop, cause yeah, man. This hat right here is a problem, B. You feel me? But go ahead, like this video, man. Comment, tell me what you going for, or if it's after the fact, tell me what you were able to secure from this JaeTips drop, man. As far as the Crosscheck Collection, man, were you able to pick anything up, man? Because I know, like I said, that Mets went crazy, man. So let me know if you were able to pick up anything from the Crosscheck, if you're able to hit on the JaeTips, man. And like I said, there's more JaeTips coming. I believe Wednesday is going to be when all the New York hats are dropping, man. So, yeah, good luck, B. But, yeah, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, man. And I'm out.